So I'm going to remove the wooden grips from a Janz Revolver. The first step, some of the grips have the Janz medallion, which on the left side of the gun you can use your thumb, push it in, and remove this cover plate, which is held in there by a magnet. Some others just have a screw. I will remove the screw that holds the two parts together. So the screw also has a little washer on it, so they're easily lost. I'll set this aside. Probably open this so we have a better surface to work on. Some grips come off very easily, and some grips have a little bit of work that needs to be done. The last thing you want to do, and you really never want to do it, is to take a screwdriver and put this in here to pry this open, because what happens is it will mar the wood. So there's a couple of things you can do depending on how tight this is. We can use the gun and very gently knock it on each side. Sometimes that is enough to get it off. You can see how much it moved. If this is not enough, we take a punch or some sort of tool. I have a little hex tool here that goes into the hole, and I'm very, very gentle with this. So you can see that it does make obviously a mark inside the grip, but obviously it's not seen, so it doesn't make any difference. All of this has not been touched, and it's as good as new as it comes from the factory. And then this little guy is really tight, and sometimes it takes a little bit of persuasion on that end as well. And so this is how you can take them off. Putting them back together is just the opposite way. Might be easier to see this way. This pin goes in here, so that has nothing to do with the actual frame of the gun. The frame pin on this side goes in here, and then this side goes in here. We'll make sure that it fits together properly without having any. We don't really want to pull it together with a screw. Put the screw back. And on this screw, do not put too terribly much pressure on there, because we don't want to break something inside the wood. And then just put the little plate back on, and it's ready to go.